Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to address a denied payment on PayPal. How to address a denied payment on PayPal in 2025. The first thing you need to do is to check your PayPal balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account to cover the payment. Next, you have to review linked payment methods. Update your card details, confirm your bank account, verify identity, resolve account limitations, and confirm recipient information. Do not forget to contact your bank or card issuer if the problem persists. You can also try an alternative payment method. If possible, try using a different linked card or bank account. And if none of these steps work, reach out to PayPal customer support for assistance. In summary, the most common reasons for a denied PayPal payment in 2025 are 1. Insufficient funds in your PayPal account or linked funding source, outdated or incorrect card details, unconfirmed email address or bank account limitations imposed by PayPal, the transaction being declined by your bank or card issuer, incorrect recipient information, and a potential security check or unusual activity flagged by PayPal. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.